Hello YouTube, this is Sleepy Torch. This is my winter setup for whenever I want to heat up my room. My room does have a handmade fireplace. Before I had this tent stove, I used to only have open fireplace. I've been looking into buying a wood burning insert or a wood pellet insert, but at the price of those ranging from 1,000 to a couple thousand, I chose to purchase a camp stove and test this out. I actually do not have a tent that could accommodate this at the moment. I'm still looking into that. But as you can see, I do have a temperature gauge. So as of right now, it is 73. It is not a cold day today. I believe it's around the 50s right now. I also do have a carbon monoxide alarm just in case. You always should have one of those, even if you have something like this. So what I did was, instead of actually making the full pipe go all the way to the roof, I have just part of the pipe with the dampener. And I also have a dampener on the chimney here, so I could either open all the way up or halfway. I normally have it halfway. It's good enough to get the smoke out of the chimney, but still keep the heat in. But it's pretty good enough. For the stove fan, you could find a lot of these on Amazon. It doesn't really matter just which one you choose. Just look at the reviews to be sure that that type of item will survive the heat. Normally it's good around 350 Celsius, but I've seen this one go higher than that and still survives, but just got to take better care of it. As you could see, the wood stove, or the stove, is actually on fire bricks right here, just to kind of prop it up to keep it leveled, because if it's not level, it's just going to be jiggling around, and it's really unsafe to have something not stable. I also do have a little bit of a steel here just to keep it, so it doesn't budge around, and this is pretty solid right now. I did have my fire going, but it's all dying out now. I don't really need it. I do have a whole house heater, but I rather save the money and burn firewood if you have it. If you don't, then it would be better just to have the house heater on, but since I have it, might as well use it. But for now, this is the setup. I'll be updating you later on if I do get a wood burning insert and what kind. But for now, this is what I'm working with, and technically winter's coming to a close, so I'll be packing this up and basically putting it away until next winter. If you have any more questions, this is a chief wood stove for the tents, which I got it from Cabela's. Normally they don't have it on sale, but if you have you're able to get it on sale if you're able to. But if you have any questions, please comment below, and I'll get back to you later on. Have a good day.